Hi, my name is Felix Ndirango. Welcome to my channel, and Felix Ndirango is the name of my channel. I hope you enjoyed my last video, which we talked about Tage der Woche, days of the week, Adverbien der Zeit, adverbs of time, das Datum, which is date, and die Monate, the months. So today we are going to learn how to say the time in German. So as you can see on the screen here, we have a picture of a clock. In German, a watch or a clock, it's called die Uhr. Die Uhr. Okay, but today we are going to learn the time. So time in German is called or is said die Uhrzeit. Die Uhrzeit. So before we learn how to say the time in German. Let's go through these vocabularies so that you may familiarize yourself with them. They are the one you are going to use to talk about the time. So the first one here, let's begin. Uhr means o'clock. Uhr means o'clock. Means at. For in regard to time, it means to. Nach means past. Gegen means about. Viertel nach means quarter past. Viertel vor means quarter to. Halb means 30 minutes to the hour. Gleich means exactly. Gleich. Stunde means hour. Minute means minute. Sekunde means second. For those who know Kiswahili, sekunde is actually German, so it means second. And then Mitternacht means midnight. So those are the vocabularies. Let me go through them again without the translation. Uhr, vor, nach, gegen, Viertel nach, Viertel vor, halb, gleich, Stunde, Minute, Sekunde, Mitternacht. Very good. So let's go to now saying the time. Our next slide here is again the Uhrzeit, which means time. So if you want to say what time is it, if you want to ask somebody in German what time is it, you say wie spät ist es? Wie spät ist es? And then, for example, it is 10 minutes past 9 or 9:10. You say es ist 9 Uhr 10. Es ist 9 Uhr 10. Or you can say es ist 10 nach 9. Es ist 10 nach 9. That means it is 10 past 9. Or, for example, it is 11:45 or quarter to 12. You can say es ist Viertel vor 12. Es ist Viertel vor 12. Or you can also say es ist 11 Uhr 45. Es ist 11 Uhr 45. That means it is, the first part here is, it is, here, it is 15 to 12 or 11:45. So the next one is maybe it is 2:30. There are two ways you can say that. One of the way is es ist halb drei. Es ist halb drei, which means it is half an hour to 3. Or you can say es ist 2:30 Uhr. Es ist 2:30 Uhr, which means it is 2:30. Okay, so let me go through the German way of saying the time without the English translation. So, wie spät ist es? Wie spät ist es? Es ist 9:10 Uhr. Es ist 9:10 Uhr. Wie spät ist es? Es ist 10 nach 9. Es ist 10 nach 9. Wie spät ist es? Es ist 11:45. Es ist 11:45. Wie spät ist es? Es ist 11:45 Uhr. Es ist 11:45 Uhr. Wie spät ist es? Es ist 2:30. Es ist 2:30. Wie spät ist es? Es ist 2:30 Uhr. Es ist 2:30 Uhr. So, that was our lesson today about the time. Be sure to stop and rewind the video whenever you find it necessary so that you can learn at your own pace. So thank you very much for joining me today. See you on my next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to support my channel. See you. Bye.